Is this the truth you wish to reveal? One of the many truths to be uncovered. The plane between these two existences continue to be blurred. It is safe to say that they are both real, one physical and one virtual. Continue to forge ahead on this unending journey. Memories are so precious. There's so much we give each other. Create a blissful typhoon of warmth, but do not lose that truth. I will always have fun. Hey, it is I, Cubia. I have some new emotes. Allow me to show you how to install them. I'm using emotes through 7TV. Go to the website 7tv.app on your PC to install the emotes. You can install them on your Chrome and Firefox browser. These emotes will work for both Twitch and YouTube. To install 7TV to your Chrome browser, you simply click this icon, then click Add 7TV. It's already on my Chrome browser, but you'll have the option to click and install this on your Chrome. If you're using 7TV on YouTube, there'll be a way for you to use the emotes. So you click on this icon at the bottom of the chat box, and then you'll see the 7TV emotes. A lot of people don't have them emotes. This is 7TV, Better Twitch TV, and Frankerface, but I'll just have 7TV, and all my emotes will be right here in this in the channel emote section. And then there are also global emotes you can use that'll be on everyone's channel. 7TV also has a theater mode you can click. It's this green or bluish icon right here. You just click that. You just click on this bluish icon, and it'll bring up a theater mode. You can see the chat box as well as the video. But a thing to notice is that if you try and rewind or during a live stream, it'll kind of glitch, and the video preview will be far above where you're actually hovering. On Twitch, using 7TV emotes is the same, except the 7TV emotes will be located right here next to the chat button. You just click that, and the channel emotes will be right here. And again, there are global emotes. You just click on the quick emotes to use them, and you can hold the shift button and click them multiple times to spam the emote. Then hit chat or enter to go through. Chicken nuggets. 7TV currently only works on Twitch on mobile devices. So to use 7TV emotes on your mobile devices, simply click this icon right here, mobile, and then I prefer ChatSend since it's much easier to use. And click this to go to ChatSend, and then install this on your iOS or Android device. After you have installed ChatSend onto your mobile device, click on it to open the app, and then you'll be here. To log into your Twitch account, click Add Account, and then click on the purple plus in the bottom right hand portion of the screen. And you'll be prompted to log into your Twitch account. To go to my channel to watch my live stream, click on the and then type in my channel name, Cubia_VTuber, then click OK. And then now you'll be viewing the chat box. To use emotes, click on the smiley face in the bottom right of the screen, and then you will see my channel emotes under 7TV. You can also hold down on the emote to view the name of it. And then hit send, and then you will see the emotes in the chat box. To view my actual stream, however, you would just click on the three lines at the bottom of the left hand side, and then click the play button on the bottom left side as well. I'm not streaming right now, but you do see the stream pop up right there.